Chellammal Varhavalamudan, please unmute yourself.
Good morning, sir. Thank you for calling me. I have a son, and my son got married 4 years back. Still no issues. There is a childbirth. For that only I have called you.
Do you have your daughter-in-law's
Yes,
date
of
of
course. I
birth?
have the date of birth, everything. 26
Hold
10
on. What is her name, please?
Nitya Devi.
Nitya Devi. Date of birth?
26
Mm-hmm.
10
Mm-hmm.
1984.
Time of birth?
Time of birth 10:45 p.m.
Place of birth?
Tirupur.
Sorry?
Tirupur.
Tirupur.
Yes, near Coimbatore.
Of course.
You want my son's date of birth also?
First, your daughter-in-law's we will study. If she is destined to have a child, then great. The Sabhakti problem will be there. Hold on. What is she running? She is running Venus Dasa. Venus is deposited in Anuradha Nakshatra in Scorpio in the star of Saturn, Sabhabrahu. Where is Saturn? Saturn is in the 5th house only. Venus itself is deposited in the 5th house, and both are not connecting to any barren sign. It is fruitful sign. Okay, but there is Sun in the 4th house. Which planet is in the star of Sun? No planet in the star of Sun. No, Rahu is in the star of Sun. 5th house of Lord is Venus. When did they get married, ma?
In 2019, June 13th.
Venus Dasa should 100% give them a child. That is no doubt about it. The first child will be a girl child. Okay? A very healthy, happy, beautiful looking child.
Okay.
Your daughter-in-law also must be very pretty looking person.
Yeah, of course. She's fair and good looking.
Venus is in the 5th house, no? Generally, Venus and Moon, both are in the 5th house. So she must be very, very, very pretty. It's her destiny. Okay, Venus Dasa, Saturn Bhukti. Even before that it should happen. Venus 2511, which is in Moon Sub. There is no planet in Moon Star or Moon Sub. There are so many planets in Venus. There are at least 2 planets. Mars is in Venus. Between 10th of October 2023 to 9th of December 2024 is the most likely time when they will have a child. Don't have to be anxious at all. Let them be. They are going to have a very beautiful child. Very healthy, prosperous, happy child. Varha Valamudan. God bless them.
Thank you. Thank you a lot, sir.